Hi, my name is David, and today we will cover an important issue, how to deal with data transfers from the practical point of view. So let's start. First of all, before doing any data transfers, you need to be sure that you are legally covered. This is usually up to a legal team in your company and in the other end. Effectively, things like data governance and information governance, there is a lot of paperwork. You need to reflect on regulations specific for your country or region, things like GDPR. This all needs to be taken into the account. But let's say that the paperwork is done. How do you proceed next? You need to find out who is in charge on the other end. Usually it's a data engineer or just person who was dedicated to this specific task by their organization, obviously depending on how big that organization is. So try to set up a meeting with this person. Usually, if you can, always prefer face-to-face rather than having things in the written form or direct messages. Direct messages are the worst. Email is less worse. The best is face-to-face. Always think about it. So once you set up the initial conversation, you need to be professional, try to be like human, interacting with another human. Learn as much as you can about their infrastructure. Learn as much as you can about the means that they use when they provide the data for other organizations. Obviously, usually this is something that will work for you, and then the deal is done, and you will just proceed with the solution that is optimal for both ends. What unfortunately sometimes happens is that it's something that is not acceptable for you, or that the other side doesn't have any idea how to proceed. Then you need to be ready and offer your help. Offer a concrete technical solutions based on what you've learned about their infrastructure, and go out to as many details as you can. I would suggest you offer them help, like sharing their screen. Their data engineer can share their screen, and you can literally tell them, click here, install this, do this. This covers like 90% of cases, and hopefully you will succeed with this, and you are done. Unfortunately, what can happen is that the other side doesn't accept your conditions, and then you have no other option than to escalate and repeat the same process again. Effectively, hopefully this helps and you get data to your end. Now you need to think in the long term. Was it just something that was one-off, or is it just a continuous process? If it's a continuous process, you need to repeat this a couple more times. You need to keep this link with that other person on the other end active, and try to be proactive. So offer them help and keep the communication active and regular. Hopefully this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for your time. See you next time.